In this video, we are going to continue the same exercise 3.12. Problem number 6. From a group of 2x square black bees, square root of half of the group went to a tree. Again, 8/9 of the bees went to the same tree. The remaining 2 got caught up in a fragrant lotus. How many bees were there in total? This is the record question. Solution. Given the number of bees equal to 2x square, by data what's given? 2x square minus square root of half of the base 2x square, which is equal to, you can cancel those two, we are getting its x. Clear, children? Square root of half of the group went to a tree, therefore minus x. Again, 8/9 minus 8/9 of the bees went to the same tree, that is into 2x square, which is equal to, the remaining 2 got caught up. So, remaining is only 2. Clear, children? So, the total is 2x square. From that, x number of bees went to a tree. Again, 8/9 of the number of bees went to the same tree. So, the left out is only 2, it's given. This we have to simplify. This implies 2x square minus 16/9 x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Clear, children? Just I multiplied 8 into 2, that's all. Now we can take LCM for first two terms. What we'll get? 18x square minus 16x square. It becomes 18 minus 16 is 2x square. Clear, children? By 9 minus x minus 2 equal to 0. You multiply with 9, it becomes 2x square minus 9x minus 18 equal to 0. Therefore, the product is minus 36 and sum is minus 9. The possible numbers are minus 12 and plus 3. Multiply these two, we will get minus 36. Add, we are getting minus 9. We have 2x square, you divide by 2x, 2x. Here we can cancel 2, it becomes 6. Therefore, this equation becomes x minus 6 into 2x plus 3 equal to 0, which implies x is equal to 6 comma minus 3/2. Therefore, what's needed? How many bees were there in total? Therefore, the number of bees equal to 2 into x square, that is 36, 6 square 36 equal to 72. So, at the beginning there are 72 bees in that tree. Seventh question. Music is being played in 2 opposite galleries with certain group of people. In the first gallery, a group of 4 singers were singing, and in the second gallery, 9 singers were singing. The 2 galleries are separated by the distance of 70 meters. where should a person stand for hearing the same intensity of the singer's voice? Here they given a hint, please go through it, that we are going to use. Here I consider two galleries, one is G1 and another one is G2. In G1 there are 4 singers are there, in G2 there are 9 singers. There is a person in between this, he has to hear the same intensity of the singer's voice. Clear, children? So this is P I am taking. The distance between the galleries is given as 70 meters. So I am assuming this is X and this will be 70 minus X. Let it be G1 and this is G2. The hint, the ratio of the sound intensity is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding distances. Therefore, by data, we are getting 4 by 9, which is equal to x square divided by 70 minus x the whole square, which implies 4 into 70 minus x the whole square, that is 4900 minus 140x plus x square equal to 9x square. Therefore, this becomes 9x square minus 4x square, that is 5x square. Then 4 into minus 16, that is minus 56 with 1 0. You take to other side, it becomes plus 560x. Then 4 into 49 you calculate, 196. So it becomes minus 196 with 2 zeros equal to 0, which implies you divide by 5, it becomes x square plus 112x minus 3, then 46, that is 9, 10, 2, 1, 0 equal to 0. We have to factorize, find the numbers. The possible numbers are plus 140 and minus 28. Therefore, we can write x plus 140 into x minus 28 equal to 0, which implies x is equal to minus 140 and 28. X is the distance, so it should be only 28. Therefore, the person should stand 28 meters from gallery 1, or we can calculate 70 minus 28, it's 42. Therefore, we are getting the person should stand 42 meters from gallery 2. This is the required answer. Eighth question, there is a square field whose side is 10 meter. A square flower bed is prepared in its center, leaving a gravel path all around the flower bed. The total cost of laying the flower bed and graveling the path at rupees 3 and rupees 4 per square meter respectively is rupees 364. Find the width of the gravel path. is the required one. Here I consider a diagram. Square field whose side is 10 meter. So I am taking this is 10 meter. Okay, children. Then a square flower bed is prepared. So let it be x meter. Clear, children? Solution. Given side of the square field equal to 10 meter. Let the side of the flower bed equal to x meter. Therefore, area of the square field equal to 100 meter square and area of the flower bed equal to x square meter square. Therefore, area of the path equal to 100 minus x square meter square. Now we can move to the cost. Therefore, by data we are getting 3 rupees for flower bed. So we are getting 3 into x square plus 4 rupees for the path, graveling the path. That is 4 into 100 minus x square equal to 364. Clear, children? This is the total cost. Now this you have to simplify. We are getting 3x square plus 400 minus 4x square equal to 364, which implies 3x square minus 4x square is minus x square. You take to other side, it becomes x square equal to 400 minus 364. It's 36, which implies x is equal to plus or minus 6 we'll get. But here I am taking only the positive value. So x is equal to 6 meters. Therefore, actually we need the width. Therefore, the width equal to x is equal to 6. Total length is 10. Therefore, we are getting 10 minus 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 4 by 2, which is equal to 2 meters. Did you understand why we divided by 2? Here actually we are getting this is 10 meters. This is x meter. The width is here, let it be w. This also w. So we are getting 2w is equal to 10 minus x. Clear, children? So we need only the width. Therefore, we divided by 2. Therefore, the width is 2 meters. Ninth question. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 25 centimeter and its perimeter 56 centimeter. Find the length of the smallest side. For this, you have to consider a right angle triangle. Here, I consider a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B. Clear, children? So, the hypotenuse is given as 25 centimeter. So, B is equal to 25 centimeter. Opposite to A, we used to take it as small a, opposite to C is small c. Solution. By data, that is the perimeter. A plus B plus C is equal to 56 centimeter. Okay, children, which implies A plus B is given as 25 plus C equal to 56. Therefore, A plus C is equal to, you can subtract 25, it becomes 31, which implies A is equal to 31 minus C. Clear, children? From triangle ABC, we can use Pythagoras theorem for right angle triangle. You know that B square is equal to A square plus C square, which implies A value is 31 minus C the whole square plus C square equal to B square. B value is 25 square. So 31 square, that is 961 minus 2AB term, that is 62C plus C square equal to 625. This we can simplify, which implies 2C square minus 62C. Now we have to subtract 961 and 625. It becomes 6, 3, 3. So we are getting this is plus 336 equal to 0. You can divide by 2, it becomes C square minus 31C plus 168 equal to 0. Clear, children? Which implies we have to find the possible numbers. So we have to get the sum is 31 and product is 168. Therefore, we can go with C minus 24 into C minus 7 equal to 0. Clear, children? So add these two, we have to get minus 21. You take product, 4 7s are 28, 2 balance, 8 is there, 7 2s are 14 plus 2 is 16. Therefore, we are getting C is equal to 7, 24. What's required? Find the length of the smaller side. Smaller side is 7 you can take, or if you are substituting 24 in the first equation, that time we will get A is 7. Whatever may be, the smaller side is 7. Therefore, the smaller side is equal to 7 centimeter. This is the required answer. So, you have to practice the similar statement sums from the examples and you have to learn the concept. If they are changing the numbers also, you should know the method of solving the given problems. All the best. May God bless you. We can meet soon in the next video.